If the government is unable to run the house, so I can understand and imagine how they are running the government, sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन कराम। मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के फ्लोर लीडर जनाब अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने तेलंगाना असम्बली में कानून साजी के इजलासों के इनेकाद में तालमेल और शिफाफियत के फुक़दान पर तशवीश का इजहार किया। जब भी असम्बली का ऐलान होता तो हमें आगाज़ और इख्तितामी तारीख़ों के बारे में मुतालिया किया जाता है, ताहम इस इजलास में कोई वजाहत फ़राहम नहीं की गई है। BAC में किए गए फ़ैसले आमतौर पर गर्दिश में रहते हैं, लेकिन इस बार हम सिर्फ़ ये सुनते हैं कि स्पीकर फ़ैसला करेंगे, जबकि स्पीकर के पास इख्तियार है। सवाल यह है कि हम कब फ़ैसला करेंगे। अगर हुकूमत ऐवान को नहीं चला सकती तो इनसे हुकूमत को मौसर तरीक़े से चलाने की उम्मीद कैसे की जा सकती है। जी हाँ नाज़रीन कराम, तेलंगाना असम्बली में आज जनाब अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी शदीद बरहम और नाराज़ नज़र आए। तो आइए सुनते हैं अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने असम्बली में क्या कुछ कहा।
Akbaruddin Owaisi.
So sorry for intervening, sir. Sir, you have laid today's agenda, sir. Thursday, 19 December, 5th day of 4th session, sir. The first item is question and answers. Second is paper to be laid. Third are the government bills. And in the bill, sir, first bill is Telangana Bhubharti. The second is Telangana Municipalities. Third is the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Fourth is the Telangana Panchayat. Then the fourth item is short discussion. The first short discussion is the outstanding liabilities of the state. Second is short discussion, Raitu Bharosa. Sir, I do understand, sir, that government has a right, and Honorable Speaker, you also have the right to take up any issue listed in the agenda. But there is a parliamentary practice, sir, where the floor leaders are taken into confidence and they are informed that this is the reason, we'll just jump in the order. Sir, I came and I asked and I was told that we will be taking up the bills. Sir, I'm sitting there preparing for the bills. And suddenly what we see is that you have taken up the short discussion, sir. Sir, it is so unfair, sir. You have to come for the rescue, sir. I am not questioning your authority, sir. You can take anything, sir. But, sir, the floor leader should be taken into confidence. And, sir, I'm not against the discussion, sir. Sir, 3 times, sir, we have already had the discussion. 3 times the question has come. This is the 8th time that the House is discussing on the finances, sir, loans. And after 9, they say N numbers, sir. N numbers we are discussing on finances, loans, liabilities, interest. Sir, 7th and 8th time. Sir, I'm not against this, sir, but please take us into confidence, sir. We have to prepare, sir. And I was preparing for the bills and suddenly I see you. And sir, I want to also know, after this short discussion, are we going to continue with the second short discussion? So at least I'll go and prepare for that, sir. If we are doing that and not going for the bills, we need a clarification, sir, so that we can at least prepare ourselves, sir. I request you to please come for the rescue, sir. And once again, I'm saying I'm not questioning your authority at all, sir. You have all the rights to take, sir. But it is a parliamentary practice where all the floor leaders are being taken into, confidence कि भाई CM साहब को जाना है, मिनिस्टर साहब को कहीं जाना है या कुछ मीटिंग है, जरा पहले ये ले लेंगे. तो we can go and prepare, sir. At least इतना तो coordination करो, sir. Sir, in parliament, whenever the parliament is announced, they announce the parliament will start on this day, it will end on this day. Still we do not know when are we ending the session. Every time the BAC is conducted, sir, whatever decision has been taken in BAC, it is circulated. Up till now, we don't know. Only one sentence came, speaker will decide. Yes, sir, your authority, you have the authority, you can decide. But the question is, when are we going to decide? If the government is unable to run the house, so I can understand and imagine how they are running the government, sir.
మీ గురించి వాళ్ళ